Now Steam Deck OLED versus Nintendo Switch 2. Panel type. This determines the true color and depth of your gaming experience. Screen size. It dictates just how immersive your handheld gaming world truly feels. Resolution. This defines how sharp and detailed your game visuals will appear on screen. Pixel density per inch brings out the finest details in every visual. Refresh rate. It's the key to fluid motion and a truly responsive gaming feel. Aspect ratio. It defines the shape of your screen, influencing how much of the game world you see. It directly impacts how bright and vivid colors can appear, even under direct light. Chipset. This is the console's brain, determining its raw power and performance in every game. CPU architecture. The foundation for speed and complex calculations. Cores and threads. These are the processor's active workers defining its multitasking muscle. Clock speed. This defines how quickly your processor can execute tasks, frame by frame. GPU. It directly controls visual fidelity, from stunning details to fluid animations. This defines the raw computational horsepower for complex graphics. RAM and speed. Storage. Battery capacity. Charging. USB. This versatile port handles everything: power, data, and even high-quality display output. HDMI, your seamless link for high-definition gaming on any TV or monitor. Bluetooth, it's your wireless bridge to controllers, headphones, and essential accessories. Wi-Fi, your essential wireless link for online gaming, updates, and digital downloads. NFC, it's the magic behind Amiibo and other tap-to-play features. Integrated touchpad. It adds an extra layer of intuitive interaction, expanding how you control your games. Dual force feedback. Feel every in-game impact with realistic vibrations. Backwards compatibility. Play all your old games now on your new system. Quick resume. Seamlessly switch between multiple games, picking up playtime in an instant.